In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Grammarly, and more specifically, how to switch your writing language to the English dialect that matches your region or preference. This is really useful if you want Grammarly to check your spelling, grammar, and suggestions using the right English rules for places like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and more. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Grammarly and go directly to your Grammarly account dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in with the account that you use for Grammarly. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation sidebar. You should see a menu on the left side of the screen, and from there, click on Account. This is where Grammarly keeps your profile and writing settings. After clicking Account, you'll want to find the Writing tab in the Account menu. This section controls the settings that affect how Grammarly works with your writing. Go ahead and select the Writing tab so you can access the customization options. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to look through the available tabs and make sure you're in the right part of the account settings. Now here's an important thing to understand before going any further. Grammarly does not translate text between global languages like Spanish, French, or German. Instead, it focuses on optimizing your writing for different regional English dialects. That means it can help you write in the style of American English, British English, Canadian English, Australian English, and other supported English variations. So, if your goal is to change the language setting, what you're really doing is setting the preferred English dialect Grammarly should use when checking your text. Inside the Writing section, look for the Customize menu. Under that menu, click on the Language sub-tab. This is where Grammarly lets you adjust the writing language settings for your account. Once you're inside the language area, find the drop-down menu labeled Writing Language. This drop-down is the key setting you need to change. Click the Writing Language drop-down, and you'll see the available English dialect options. Now select the one you want Grammarly to use. For example, if you want spellings and suggestions that match American English, choose that option. If you prefer British spelling and grammar conventions, choose British English instead. Grammarly will then apply that dialect to your writing suggestions, helping keep your documents consistent and better suited to your audience. After making your selection, you can close the settings and continue writing as normal. Grammarly should now use the dialect you chose across your writing experience, depending on where and how you use the tool. If you ever need to change it again later, you can always return to the same writing language setting and update it in just a few clicks. So, that's how to change the language on Grammarly and set your preferred English dialect in the account dashboard. It only takes a moment once you know where to look, and it can make a big difference in keeping your writing polished and accurate. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.